Picture someone stepping into a room, exuding an air of confidence through their body language. You don't know who this person is, yet there's an undeniable respect that surrounds him. Why is that? Respect is one of the most valuable assets anyone can possess. It isn't freely given. It is earned and nurtured through consistent actions and behaviors. While many desire respect, not everyone knows how to naturally command it. What if I share with you 6 powerful body language techniques that can help you gain respect from anyone? Pay special attention to the last point. It's a game changer. Personal space acts like an invisible shield of respect and confidence. Stand too close and you risk invading someone's territory, causing discomfort. Stand too far and you create a barrier of detachment. Finding the right distance allows you to command respect instantly. For instance, in a one-on-one business meeting, instead of leaning too close, maintain a comfortable 3 feet of space. This balance enables open communication without feeling encroaching. This subtle awareness demonstrates that you are confident, respectful, and fully in control. Additionally, become a master of observation. If someone shifts back slightly, take the hint and adjust your distance. It's not about being submissive, but about showing emotional intelligence. Respecting boundaries builds trust and enhances your presence. A handshake signifies more than just a greeting. It's your first opportunity to establish respect. A weak handshake signals insecurity, while an overly aggressive grip can come off as confrontational. A firm yet composed handshake is a power move, particularly when meeting a CEO or potential partner. Extend your hand with intention, grip firmly but not too tight, and make eye contact for a brief yet impactful moment. Add a confident smile, and you've already made significant progress. Seek feedback from trusted individuals and practice until your handshake conveys strength, composure, and trustworthiness. That single gesture can shape how others perceive you. Here's a gesture that communicates: I'm present and I'm listening. A slight tilt of your head conveys interest without appearing overly submissive. This subtle yet powerful move can be influential. For example, during a team meeting, if a colleague is pitching an idea, lean in slightly, tilt your head, and nod slowly as they speak. This simple action shows that you value their contribution, and people respect those who listen attentively. Remember not to overdo it. Keep it balanced. Combine the head tilt with a neutral position at intervals to maintain authority while still being approachable. Lastly, your feet play a crucial role in your foundation. If they are restless or uncertain, that lack of stability will send the same message. Stand firmly, and you become unshakable in presence and respect. During an important presentation, instead of pacing nervously, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. This position exudes stability and authority, demonstrating control of the room with every movement you make. If you start to feel anxious, ground yourself by pressing your feet firmly into the floor. This simple trick calms your nerves while enhancing your commanding presence. Remember, there's strength in taking your time. Rushed movements can convey desperation, while slow and deliberate gestures radiate confidence, inviting others to pay attention. Imagine stepping into a crowded networking event. Rather than rushing to a corner, walk in with intention. Take measured steps, offer a firm handshake, and confidently claim your space. Every movement signifies that you belong there. Control is cultivated through practice. Exploring activities like Tai Chi or yoga can teach you the art of moving with intention. Each gesture and step should feel like a purposeful expression of self-assurance. While words hold significant weight, silence possesses its own level of authority. Incorporating pauses in your conversations or speeches can be one of the most effective strategies to convey control. When discussions heat up and voices overlap, take a moment to breathe deeply. Maintain eye contact and pause before speaking. This stillness encourages the room to listen, ensuring that when you do speak, your words resonate. Mastering this technique during presentations or negotiations can amplify the impact of your key points. Pausing briefly before and after making important statements encourages your audience to absorb your words. Respect can't be demanded. It's earned, laid upon the foundation of your body language. By mastering these subtle yet powerful gestures, you'll not only gain the respect of others, but solidify your presence as someone worth listening to. Respect isn't something you get by force or shortcuts. It's earned through genuine effort, authenticity, and self-discipline. The way you conduct your life shapes how others perceive and treat you. So invest in mastering your craft, standing firm in your principles, and extending respect to yourself and others. As you do, you'll discover that respect gravitates toward you naturally.